Do you want to understand how to make the electric field lines? Are you in a place in which you try to figure out what is the electric field and try to apply it to any situation in which you have a distribution of electric charges? So this is the video for you. We're going to see how to sketch electric field lines. But in order to understand how to calculate how to sketch the electric field lines, you need to first understand what is the electric field, or how could we model the electric field. Okay, so the electric field, you can understand the electric field by thinking of what happened to the space around an electric charge. So when you have an electric charge, around this electric charge, the space is different than the space when there's no electric charge. And that's the electric field. So how to understand the electric field? You have an electric charge, say positive, and to decide how to get the lines of electric field, you need to imagine a small charge of positive sign. Okay? So if you have a small charge of positive sign, what's going to happen to this charge? So it's going to be repelled by the positive charge. So this is how you sketch the electric field lines. You have to set all over the space around the electric charge small positive charges, and then you have the electric field lines. So that's why you see in books that this is the electric field for a positive charge, because you can imagine what happens if you put a positive charge. What happens if you put a positive charge in this position? So repulsion, so that will be the electric field line. Now we're going to complicate a little bit the example. So let's imagine that we have here a positive charge, and I'm going to put another positive charge here, and finally I'm going to put a negative charge here. Okay, so we're going to see what happens if you have these two positive charges and this negative charge. What do you think will be the electric field lines? So why don't you stop the video and think how to do the electric field lines. Think about it. Okay, how did you think about it? Now we're going to do the electric field line. So imagine you put a positive charge here. So the positive charge is going to be repelled by this positive charge, is going to be repelled by this positive and attracted by this negative. But the repulsion due to this positive charge is going to be higher than the repulsion upon this positive charge, upon this positive charge, it will be higher than the repulsion upon this because it's closer. So it's going to try to move this way. Okay? So it will be like trying to get. So this is going to repel, trying to get, and now you're going to the negative charge. And that will happen like all around this space, until there's like a point of symmetry. Okay? It will be a point of symmetry in which the repulsion due to this charge is greater than the repulsion due to this charge here. So the repulsion of the charge above will be greater than the repulsion upon the charge below. So we're just going to have a little change here, like in the middle, that it's gonna happen something like that. Okay? That will happen in this part. And here it will be repulsion everywhere. So it will be like some line in which there will be a repulsion about these two, attraction due to the electric negative, and maybe it will be a point, could be the line of the triangle. Let's do a line on the triangle. This line, maybe this line, in which the electric field will be directly between these two, and after this line it will be like a place in which the negative charge, it does not influence a lot the positive charge you're putting, so it will be off and you will have positive charges away, like something like that. Okay, so imagine the positive charge here, so it will be repel, 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 repel. Okay, so essentially this is what happened in this device. As you could see, I just put positive charges and imagine what happened to the charge. What will be the force that the electric charge will be affected to, and then with this direction of the force, I'm getting the electric field lines. Okay, so I hope that this video helped you to understand a little bit electric field lines, and I hope that this video helped you as well to understand how to sketch electric field lines. Sketch electric field lines is going to help you to understand what happens in any material that uses an electric field. And using this information, you can go to the mat and check if your calculations are correct. Okay? So I hope that this video helped you. Tell me if you like it. Comment the video, your questions, whatever. And follow me on my tube. You can subscribe to my tube. You can watch another videos about physics and math, and see you in the next time. Remember, my web is Hugo Film and everything related with me. Bye bye, have a nice day.